Hello friends, today we have a proportion problem. When you see my trick, you will be easily solve this question. Most of the students mess this up. Are you ready? We have a problem in which we have A ratio B will be equal to 2 ratio 3 and we need to find 5A plus 2B over A plus B. Pause the video and try it yourself. I'm going to use two ways to solve this question. One will be the casual way, the other one will be the trick way. So now I'm going to start the casual method. So first of all, we know that A ratio B will be equal to 2 ratio 3. This means I can define the variables. So when I define the variable, I will get A will be equal to 2x and B will be equal to 3x, where x is a common factor that we have. We need to find 5a plus 2b over a plus b. So I'm going to substitute the value of a, which will be 2x, and the value of b, which will be 3x. When I substitute the value, I will get 5 multiplied by 2x plus 2 multiplied by 3x over 2x plus 3x. Now we need to evaluate numerator and the denominator that we have. So let's do this. We know that 5 multiplied by 2x will be equal to 10x. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 3x will be equal to 6x. So we are going to get the numerator that will be equal to 16x. Now we know that the denominator is 2x plus 3x, that will be equal to 5x. So our expression becomes 16x over 5x. We know that x will cancel with x. When we cancel x with x, we are going to get 16 over 5. So our final answer will be 16 by 5. Now I'm going to use the trick method to solve this problem. Since we have A ratio B will be equal to 2 ratio 3, this means I can directly write A will be equal to 2 and B will be equal to 3, because only the ratio matters. Now I'm going to substitute this value into the expression that we have. When I substitute the value, I will get 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 plus 3. So when I simplify this, I will get 10 plus 6 divided by 5. We know that 10 plus 6 is 16. So we are going to get 16 over 5. This is our final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.